What do you think?
Pretty good.
That is a nice table. Not done yet. Look who's that. So me and Peter are about to assemble this very, very large dining table. Everybody meet Peter.
What's up, man?
You can't really see his face, he's really good looking. But
One job to the next.
yeah, we're gonna do like I said, a dining table, a really big dining table, and it requires 2 people to lift it and flip it over. So that's what we're doing. How's the trip up here? You came from Newburyport, you said?
Yeah, fishing. Actually, the kid that I was fishing with,
Yeah.
his mom Karen, they just went inside the store. She was my second customer when I started.
What's that?
She was the trampoline in Lexington
Ah.
on my first day, second job.
Oh, wow.
It's kind of a coincidence.
That's very crazy. Look at that. Our customers always find us one way or the other. Yeah, Pete's been doing assemblies for a couple years now, a few years now, on or off. And so, yeah, so he just saw one of his first customers that I sent him on, which is crazy. But anyway, we're about to hit the road, go meet our boy Shay. We'll continue the show then.
Oh, and also, just have, you mind if I throw a couple of fishing rods?
Yeah,
I
yeah,
don't
go
want to
ahead.
leave. They're kind of expensive.
No,
and I don't want to
yeah,
leave.
for sure. Peter's a fisherman. He does all sorts of outdoor stuff.
Yeah, I think it goes hand in hand.
Absolutely. I need to go out and do some more stuff. Honestly, like, I don't think I've done anything this summer. Obviously, because for good reason. Well, doing assemblies and also COVID-19, you know? Everyone's like freaking out. Yeah, so I told Peter I'd pick him up just because sometimes it just makes more sense to carpool, save gas. Yeah, he's really talented. You know, we're gonna be in and out. We're probably gonna be in here for about 30 minutes.
Yeah, you don't think it'll take long?
No. I sent you the instructions. Sorry.
Yeah, I looked at it briefly.
So
Yeah,
if you ever have the chance to look at an instruction manual before you get the product, that's also a good idea.
For sure.
But we should just say, just hire us instead.
Yeah, dude, I thought this location was perfect.
Yeah, no, it's
Because, like, you'll be able to just
20
put us
minutes
down
outside of
93
me.
and I can just go north.
exactly. Well, I think we're good to go.
All right.
Good. Taking the show on the road. Knee pads,
Of course.
which is an absolute necessity. I got my knee pads too. My favorite knee pads are these Husky rubber grip. These are the most comfortable I've ever had.
Are these for me?
Yeah, those are for you.
Fancy.
Got some gloves.
I saw these at Home Depot too.
Yeah, I just get packs of these all the time.
I have some like this for fishing that I use.
Oh yeah, no, these are nice. Yeah, guys, we just arrived. Masks, we got gloves, we got shoe covers right there. So we're gonna get inside and get this job done. It should be pretty quick. We'll see you inside.
All right.
Ready?
Let's do it.
He says he's ready. What we got on the next one? So I believe these are the legs. You can see they have a lot of cardboard here. I mean, styrofoam to protect all the parts inside. And I think they did a pretty good job. We also use this very thin styrofoam type material. What do you think, Pete?
Yeah. Looks like a pretty good packaging job.
I agree. All right, we're gonna do the rest of this. Let's rock and roll. That's important. At least carry one of these as well.
Of course.
Right now, my last assembly.
Oh yeah, here on the yeah, an extra battery. That's smart.
So we do this one. Give this a quick charge. It's about 15 minutes to charge.
Is that a Milwaukee or a Husky?
Milwaukee.
Perfect. Up to you.
Yep. No, you gotta tighten it. Steer right one.
This part already came pre-assembled.
Yeah,
So
it's all one piece.
I'm gonna flip this back because these are gonna end up being on the ground.
Sure.
So to start, we need to bring this out. I'm gonna put these sort of washers over these machine bolts in here, like this. Gonna get them set, and then I'm gonna cap them off with these bad boys. Just like this. Be a little tricky at first. Yeah, just finger tighten it. Just like that. You just want to finger tighten it
Sure.
because we want the tools to do the work.
Exactly.
Right now, that's just getting it set. Then we do the same thing on this side. So we take these guys, just like that. Take these ones, last one.
Make sure to get this
guy right here. So if we go like this, see now it's getting really tight.
This is what you call tight spaces for prime spaces.
Here we go. This should be one of our slogans. You don't have to over tighten it. You don't have to do too much.
Sure.
That's
Just
good.
nice and snug, but not
Nice and snug, but not
super
too
tight.
much. Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, there's not much space to work with. Kind of have to like calculate your half turns so you
And
can
from the other side, yeah.
reload it.
Good? Good. All right. So what we do is take these bolts and just get those connected in there. Nice and easy.
Yeah, that's a real nice extension.
Yeah, that way you don't have to get so close to it. Just like that. We gotta figure out why this one
It's not catching.
is the same size. Let's see if. Now we have the base all set. Base all set. So now that the base is done, we're gonna lift this base and then place it right here on the bottom of the table. So look at these 4 holes, 1, 2, 3, 4. And essentially we're gonna match them up with 1, 2, 3, 4. If you can count, you can do this. If you can count, you can do this.
Doesn't take 2 guys with a master's degree.
So now we got that step complete. It's a heavy duty table. Okay, so now we're gonna just take the rest of these bolts here. I'm gonna get those connected. Now everything's aligned. What you wanna do is not use this first. You wanna use just the bolts and just finger tighten all the way around. Just get it set, because you don't want to restrict it. So see, for example, this one isn't getting in as tight. So you see how you have that tolerance?
Yeah, the wiggle around.
Yep, that wiggle room. So now like this, this should be able to fit. Perfect. Over here. And the last 2. And boom. All right. Go through. And just tighten.
Yeah, now that they're all aligned.
They're all aligned.
Maybe even more. Yeah. Make sure you have enough room.
Yep. All right. 1, 2. What do you think?
Yeah.
That is a nice table. Not done yet. We still gotta connect this longer piece. Yeah, so see this one right here? That is not locked. And I think we should do the same for this side right here. So it's the same exact thing. So once it's not locked, now, Peter, if you want, or you can if you want, you can just pull out this end
Oh,
like that.
okay, it's like a centerpiece.
Yeah, that's the center.
An
piece right
extension.
here. So what you do is you grab this right here. If you notice, right here, there's like female pieces. And these are the male pieces. So this side is gonna go on this side, and male will go on this side. I should just put it right there in the middle. And then we can push it together.
Nice, smooth
And
fit.
then in order to lock it, you literally just go right back underneath here. You can even try to do that way if you want. Yeah. And same thing on this side. You got both of them? Ah, awesome. So now you have the super long one.
That's for when the family comes over for Thanksgiving.
Yes.
There you go. So yeah,
Cool.
I'm just guessing that you want to take that off for now?
Probably,
You wanna keep it
yeah.
in for now? Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, we can do that.
Not too many people coming over these days.
Exactly. It's a little overkill right now. But it's a really nice table though. You guys
Yeah,
definitely,
thank you.
you guys definitely picked a nice
Yeah, we kind of weren't sure getting stuff online.
Yeah, exactly. Sometimes you don't know
Yeah.
what you'll get. Oh, is that side unlocked too?
Yes.
Okay. And then we lock. Yeah, for the smaller table, just one. Okay, so besides that,
Cool.
Awesome.
Easy enough.
is it.
All right, we're done. Done. Back to ground zero. You guys got any assembly needs? Prime Spaces. We're here to serve and serve you well. We out.